Welcome to your new McBride home, and thank you again for trusting us with such an important decision, and we're thrilled to welcome you to the McBride family. With over 75 years of building experience, it is our privilege to build your dream home. We take great pride in building quality homes and delivering the best customer service before and after you move in. To help guide you through your new home journey, this is a quick reminder of the warranty program you discussed with your builder during your new home orientation. Good news is, you can keep referring to this video and our home maintenance tips through our Homeowner Portal. You'll want to refer to these videos often and keep your McBride workbook handy for a quick reference, as it should address most of your questions as a new homeowner. As a reminder, from this point on, our world-class customer service team will be your point of contact. Your builder did a great job with the superior craftsmanship and construction of your dream home, but now you can access our customer service team through your Homeowner Portal at any time. One reason why you may have chosen McBride Homes is our unparalleled warranty offerings. Buying a new home is one of the largest investments you'll ever make, so we want to make sure that you have the confidence and protection you need. We stand by our quality craftsmanship and back it with our McBride Homes 10-year builder limited warranty. This includes a 1-year workmanship guarantee, our 2-year systems warranty, and a full 10-year structural home warranty. Your homeowner warranty booklet describes in detail everything that is covered in your home. Let's dive right in and learn more about each coverage period. The first year of your home warranty coverage includes your 1-year workmanship warranty. From floors and ceilings to doors and windows, we'll make sure that your home is working properly. Any items you note that need adjustment or repair can be submitted on your 2 or 10-month warranty request form through the Homeowner Portal. After your first year of new home ownership, the things you interact with on a daily basis expire, but your 2-year systems warranty continues for many of the things you don't see, like the wiring in your walls, the plumbing, and the ductwork for your AC and heat. We'll make sure that these items are working properly for 2 years after your closing date. You will also receive a 10-year structural warranty on your new home, which covers the major structural items. In other words, this gives you peace of mind with our guarantee that your home is built to last for many years to come. The most common structural warranty question will be about cracks in your foundation. It is important to remember that concrete will experience shrinkage cracks over time, which is a very common occurrence and is designed to do so in a controlled manner. Please refer to your McBride workbook if you have any questions. Remember, this is an essential reference guide on how to properly maintain your home and goes into great detail about what is covered under your warranty. If service is needed, fill out a warranty request form on your Homeowner Portal. You can also access your McBride Homes workbook for a complete list of items covered in your new home. Service requests are accepted twice during the first year of your warranty period, at 2 and 10 months after your closing day. All requests must be submitted in formal writing through the Homeowner Portal under the Customer Service tab. Please note you can only submit a 2 or 10-month service request once. After submitting a request, one of our customer service coordinators will contact you to schedule an appointment with a member of our production team to evaluate the request and determine the applicable repairs needed. Services can be scheduled 14 days in advance and will be consolidated into as few appointment times as possible. It's best to group them together and schedule multiple vendor visits all on the same day. We understand how valuable your time is, which is why we want to make your repair process as seamless as possible. This systematic approach to customer service enables us to schedule and deliver service in an efficient and timely manner if and when an occasional repair or adjustment is needed. Please be mindful that homeowners must be present for any repairs, and appointment times are offered Monday through Friday during normal business hours. Your new home will require different types of homeowner maintenance, including such items as replacing air filters in your HVAC system, testing your smoke alarms, or touching up paint throughout your home. Similar to going to the doctor for a checkup or changing the oil in your car, your new home will require the same type of maintenance and care. We have created a wonderful library of home maintenance videos that are available to view through your Homeowner Portal. Please take a minute to browse our video collection to remind yourself of the items that you viewed during your new homeowner orientation and to educate yourself on the maintenance tips of your new McBride home. The back section of your McBride workbook also covers many of these home maintenance items. McBride Homes is proud to stand by the superior construction of your home with the help of our great union trade partners. Customer service and satisfaction are very important to us, and we are continuously following and implementing quality policies and procedures to enhance this legacy. We want to make sure that our home buyers are fully aware of what is covered in the McBride home. Your McBride workbook with the Builder's Limited Warranty plus our video library should be your first source of information if you have any questions. It's available 24/7 online, so please continue to refer to them long after you move in. If there is a part of your new home warranty that is unclear, please don't hesitate to ask. We're here to help. Again, thank you for choosing McBride Homes, and please accept our best wishes to you for many years of joy and happiness in your new McBride home.